Hi guys, I'm Simon, your digital expert online. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when my next videos get posted. Now I'm here to bring you loads of tips, tricks and ideas to help you get started with the growing digital economy and get your online business up and off the ground. So without further ado, let's get stuck in. Okay, so today we're talking about affiliate marketing and to see if it's potentially something that you could start earning money from. Now this is quite a big topic, so I'm just going to give you a digestible format of it today. Okay, so you've got this far. Now, if you're watching this and you're thinking, is this actually profitable? Before I answer that, I'm just going to give you a quick stat. According to Google Trends, the search term affiliate marketing had reached its peak in April 2020 this year, which is actually up 50% from 12 months ago. That is absolutely incredible. Clearly something is going on, and it is. According to an article by Trade Doubler via LinkedIn, affiliate marketing is the single fastest growing digital marketing channel worth $12 billion globally. That is absolutely staggering. It's actually set to grow by another 10%, it's predicted, in the next few years. So it really is something that is gaining momentum. I really think it's well worth looking into to see if you can start profiting from it. Now that is pretty impressive, I must admit, but the big question is, how much can you actually make from doing affiliate marketing? Well, it kind of depends on what it is you're marketing, and it goes without saying that a higher ticket item is going to yield a much bigger bang for your affiliate buck. So if you're thinking about becoming an affiliate for a company, here are a couple of things you might want to consider. If you have a service which you are subscribed to, have a check to see at the bottom of usually on their homepage, to see if they have an affiliate or referral scheme. And if they do, what normally happens is that you go through a whole process where you have an affiliate ID or referral ID, and you can use that in your marketing and promoting efforts. Earnings for these type of affiliate links varies quite a lot, but to start with, it's usually around 4 to 10%, which is still pretty good. Now, those sort of figures might not sound that much at the moment, but if you're selling those high ticket items at maybe £1,000, £2,000, £5,000, if they are higher ticket items, that's going to be absolutely fantastic, quite lucrative. As an example, if you're an Amazon Associates affiliate, you can start earning commissions based on products which are sold in their store. In the case of some website developers, and I only found this out very recently, you can start earning commissions based on their subscription. So if they set up a direct debit and they're a subscriber to a particular service each month, you will get rolling commissions based on how much they're paying each month. Sometimes it's up to 30%, which is amazing. Now, of course, you can't just throw your affiliate link at anybody and just hopefully somebody will just pick it up and go, yeah, that's fantastic. That's exactly what I'm looking for. It doesn't quite work like that. What you need to do is to be really mindful of who it is you're targeting. They need to have a genuine interest in what it is that you're offering. Otherwise, you're just throwing it at a wall and just seeing if it'll stick. Targeting somebody about a product or service is very different when you think they're going to be interested as opposed to knowing that they're interested. Okay, so you're interested to start earning as an affiliate. Where on earth can you start promoting these affiliate links? Okay, so some of the free or very low cost ways of doing this. Number one is social media, Instagram bios, YouTube descriptions, podcast show notes, blogs, websites, landing pages. There are lots and lots of different ways of doing it. Another great way, if you already have an email list, is to send out those product links in your email newsletters. That is really, really important. And just keep it relevant, keep it in context, because people want to know that they're not just being promoted at, they want to feel like they're still getting that value from you. And that's what you always need to remember: value, value, value. Okay guys, so just in summary, I'm just going to give you a few points here of what we've just covered. Treat it like a business and it will pay off. Let's not forget that it is a business which you need to run after all, but that's not to say that you have to be tied down, which is the best part. Know the product or service and be a product of it as well. That really, really helps when you're trying to promote it. See who has an affiliate or referral scheme. It's really easy to do this. It's usually at the bottom of their website on the homepage. Next thing is to get your links, and after that you can start promoting. Okay guys, so that was a nice little introduction into the world of affiliate marketing. I hope there was something useful in there. I really enjoyed putting this video together for you, and if you have any comments, please do post them in below underneath this video. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe my channel. I look forward to seeing you next time so that we can help and grow your online business. For now, see you later. Bye bye.